Hey guys, it's Earl and Brian here. Today we're going to take a look at our new Honda K series rear wheel drive wiring harness. This is going to be modular just like all of our other harnesses, which means any of the chassis that we currently support you can plug this into and it will retain factory functionality of everything. Now this harness in particular we did for a customer using a wideband O2. So you'll notice there's only one EFI relay on this. Typically it would have a second relay for oxygen sensor heater control. We've also went ahead and added flex fuel to this so the customer can plug it into the side of their K Pro, and also an oil pressure circuit. That way they can run a 3-wire oil pressure. Boost control gets pinned directly into the ECU, and this customer is actually using a CD009, so we've given them their reverse switch, and I gave them a Hall effect style speed sensor connection so they can run it on their drive shaft. Other than that, you can see the coils are integrated into the harness, and it's a pretty simple install. This will be going into an S13 using an AIM dash. So I did remove the single wire coolant temperature wire. But other than that, it's a pretty simple setup, and it's a awesome new product. So hopefully we'll be able to sell a lot of these to help you guys do your FRSs and E30s and potentially some other ones.